The feelings that you have for your partner are one of the strongest determinants of sexual desire. Today, I'm going to share with you the importance of feelings in a sexual relationship and 5 things that can spoil your sexual desire if you are not careful. Hello, I'm Vikram and welcome to Sex Guru. This channel is dedicated to learning all about sex and improving your relationship. So if you're looking for that, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on bell notifications so that you don't miss anything. Partners need to have healthy feelings for one another. Having animosity for your partner never helped anyone. Unfortunately, this animosity tends to build up over a period of time and then just boils over once one person hits their breaking point. Sexual partners who have a strong connection between each other are more likely to express their feelings and their needs at any given point of time in their relationship. Most people fail to realize the importance of conveying one's feelings in an appropriate way to their partner, and if they deliver it the wrong way or the message is taken the wrong way, then that creates a whole bunch of problems, and this causes arguments and fights in the relationship. I don't want that to happen to you. That's why I'm trying to reinforce here the importance of understanding feelings that you have for your partner and the feelings that your partner has for you, and then conveying information in the right way so that it doesn't damage your sexual desire. Because understand this, sexual desire is usually proportional to the feelings that you have for your partner. If your feelings are healthy, that you have good feelings for your partner, then the sexual desire is also going to be good. And if this increases, the feelings that you have, the good feelings, then your sexual desire is going to increase as well. How awesome is that? So learning to communicate information in the right way at the right point of time, that is going to be something of a process where you learn to convey your feelings to your partner in the right way. So what does this actually have to do with sexual desire? A scientist, Rosemary Basson, spoke about how we respond to a situation in terms of the prospect of sex. Let's say our partner is trying to turn us on, they are interested in having sex. How we feel at that point of time or with regard to the relationship, that is an important determinant of how sexually aroused or how much we desire sex in that situation. What that means is, if you are going to be sexually aroused in that situation or your partner is going to be sexually aroused, then both of you need to have positive feelings for each other. And that's where the 5 things that can kill your sexual desire come into play. If you have the feelings of hate, mistrust, jealousy, disappointment and dissatisfaction plaguing your relationship right now, any one of these 5 things, they can spoil your sexual relationship and kill your sexual desire if you are not careful. I mean, why do you want these things to put a dampener on your activities in the bedroom? Make a proactive effort to create a sex positive environment where you are avoiding any of these problems and focus on the feelings that you have for your partner. Make sure you have positive feelings as a part of your relationship. Spend time with each other. Try to get to know each other. Try to understand each other's needs. Try to understand each other's desires in terms of sex, and that will allow you to not only improve your communication but the feelings that you have for your partner, and ultimately that will boost your sexual desire, and that is going to come together in terms of having an amazing sex life that you never thought possible. If you're looking for a training system that will show you step by step how to have an amazing sex life and a loving sexual relationship, then make sure you check out the Verbal Love Potion training system. It will show you step by step how to create that ideal sex life that most people can only dream about. I'll leave a link for it down in the description box below. Go and check out that program. If you found this video useful, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, comment down below and tell me what you learned. Which one of these things are you currently suffering from? Comment down below and let me know, and maybe I'll leave you with a solution that you can follow. If you want to learn more sex tips, then watch the best sex playlist by hitting the I button. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on bell notifications to learn all of the sex and relationship tips that I put out for you. This is Vikram signing off, and I'll see you in the next session.